Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I just got back from a trip to Harbor Freight, and I picked up a welding cabinet, a Chicago electric welding cart, and the Vulcan MigMax 215 flux core slash MIG welder. This is an upgrade for me from the Chicago electric flux core 125. So here in a couple of days, I'm going to post videos of me unboxing and assembling this cart with a little review, and I am really looking forward to unboxing and showing you this Vulcan welder. It's supposed to be significantly better performing than my old Chicago electric flux core. I also have a video releasing Friday morning that I had the honor and privilege of participating in a collaboration with 9 other creators. It's a combination of DIYers, makers, homesteaders, self-reliant type folks. And we each filmed a 60-second showcase of our channel, and then we mashed them all up into a collection, and we are releasing this 10-minute video on Friday morning. So please go check it out, and if you see some creators that you find interesting, some DIYers, some makers, some homesteaders, if you find them interesting, if you think their content might be up your alley, give them a subscription. And we're trying to help each other out. The video has a title of The Great YouTube Algorithm Experiment. Basically, we are testing to see if we all release a video at the same time, can we promote each other's content and help each other grow and share our base of subscribers, our fan base, or friends and family and whatnot. So please look forward to those, and I'll put links to all 3 videos as they come out in this video. There won't be for a couple of days, so probably in 3 days those links will be here. Regardless, I'm rambling. Thank you for watching, and please look forward to a video on the welding cabinet. Also, look for the video upcoming on the Vulcan MigMax 215 welder, and look forward to the video of myself and 9 other fantastic creators, and see what we have to offer. Thank you, and peace out.